Okay guys, so this is what we're working with. Got a bag from our trip to Disneyland. All the boxes from Halloween decorations and leftover decorations are out. Herc's cage is out. Needs to be put away. Because he spent the time while we were in California at my in-laws. Chandler needs to be put away.
No.
Folded, put away.
No. No.
Just a bunch of decorations that need to be put away for clean up the couch. Chandler's gonna put all this laundry into the washing machine for me. Very happily doing so. And we got this mess in the kitchen. No, in the washing machine.
You just said in here.
No, I said in the washer. You don't need to start it, but you have to put it in the washer.
Can you help me?
No, this is your chore.
This isn't even on my list.
Well, it is today. Just leave that pink shirt out though, because that will stain everything else.
Okay.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me. In bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Pack up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Pack up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up me. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, pack up and get me home. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold.
So this is what I'm working with, just on this little table. This is eventually going to be donated. I'm not quite sure what to do with that because my sister-in-law painted it and I freaking love it, but I just need to find a good spot for it. Eventually, well, probably this weekend actually, I'm going to paint this whole wall white, get rid of these pictures, so I'll need to find something else to hang up on this wall, but for now, like, even this stuff right here, that's stuff to be donated. So I've got a pretty big pile of stuff to donate. I just hate putting it all in the car and taking it.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's gonna be beyond my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't have any end shots because I guess I forgot to film it on that day. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think down below. And don't forget to come over to Instagram and say hi. I love chatting with you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.